Welcome back to Series 1, Section 2 of Virtual Ownership. My name is Abhijit Kelkar, and I will guide you through this section. In this part, we will cover which products can you virtually own. Some helpful information before watching the videos. GOWN or Virtual Ownership is a platform for all people on this planet, all countries and all languages. We want to get the message of virtual ownership to as many people as possible on this planet, for which we want to have closed captions in as many languages as possible. You can enable those closed captions in your video settings by clicking on these two icons shown here. On clicking this icon, you select your language, and on clicking this icon, you enable closed caption settings. So you can read the video series as we go along in your language. GOWN, after all, is meant for all people on this planet. So if your language is not present here, you're welcome to help us translate it to your language. So people speaking your language could get the message of virtual ownership. And you can do this by joining YouTube's Community Contributor Program for translations. Just Google YouTube Community Contributors to find the link. And after you have translated, your name appears in the language credits. So join the fun in getting the message across. So let's start with Series 1, Section 2 of Virtual Ownership. Which products can you virtually own? Any physical product on which you can attach a numeric tag is a product you can virtually own. So earlier in Section 1, we saw a passport, a book, important documents, and pets like cats, dogs, horses. Now, let's look at some of the other products we can tag and virtually own. So you can tag your keys or keychains, your boat, your car, your expensive camera, your headphone sets, which you take and travel around, or your cycle, or your electric cycle, which has a battery on it, or your motorcycle, or something as common as a sewing machine, or your dishwasher, or your musical instruments like your violins, sitars, guitars, or your farm equipment like your tractors, or skis, your sport equipment, or your tennis racket, or even firearms like a pistol, or your rifle, or your watch, or normal things like your laptop, your mobile phone, or your travel equipment like your bags, purses, or industrial equipment like sewing machines, industrial sewing machines, laboratory microscopes, weighing scales, industrial weigh scales. So these are some of the use cases we have thought of. What else can you think of? You have experience in your line of work or business, and you could figure out where else virtual ownership could be used. So it's simple. In virtual ownership, you just create a new category and a new manufacturer and a model and confirm if a tag can be attached or not. And it takes just 3 minutes. Just try it. So we have now covered section 2, which products can you virtually own? Now we move on to section 3, how to virtually own your products. In this section, we actually show you how to create virtual ownership for your products and how to tag it. So let's watch the next video, how to virtually own your products. Thanks for listening, and post any suggestions, questions, insights to info@geown.com. Thank you.